turn yourself strong at the emotional, spiritual, and physical level. Let the fire of resilience burn bright within your soul, igniting the spirit with a fierce, unwavering glow. In the depths of adversity, find your inner strength, a force that carries you through trials, no matter the length. Embrace the storms that rage within your heart, for they are but tempests that shape who you are. Let every tear shed be a testament to your resolve, a testament to the courage that helps you evolve. Seek solace in the sanctuary of your spirit's embrace, where serenity dwells in the quietest of space. Nourish your soul with love and compassion, and watch as it blooms in infinite fashion. And as you tread the path of physicality's domain, let every step be a testament to your gain. Strengthen the vessel that carries your essence. With discipline and dedication, feel the presence. For in the union of body, mind, and soul lies the power to achieve, to conquer every goal. So turn yourself strong, in every sense of the word, and let your resilience be the anthem you've heard. In the crucible of life's trials, forge a resilience that knows no bounds. Let each setback be a stepping stone, each challenge a chance to grow. Embrace the storms that rage within, for they are the tempests that sculpt your character, carving strength from the raw material of your spirit. At the core of your being, cultivate a sanctuary of peace, a haven where tranquility reigns supreme. Nurture your soul with kindness and compassion, and let the light within shine forth with unwavering brilliance. In the realm of the physical, treat your body as a temple, a sacred vessel worthy of reverence and care. Feed it with nourishment, strengthen it with exercise, and honor its resilience with rest and restoration. And in the depths of your being, let your spirit soar, unfettered by doubt or fear. Draw upon the wellspring of inner wisdom that lies within, and let it guide you through life's twists and turns. For you are stronger than you know, more resilient than you can imagine. With each trial you face, you emerge more steadfast, more determined, more alive. So embrace the journey, embrace the challenges, and let your resilience be the beacon that lights your way. In the tapestry of existence, let resilience be the thread that binds your story. With each twist and turn, with each triumph and tribulation, weave a narrative of courage and fortitude. When darkness descends like a heavy cloak, obscuring the path ahead, let resilience be the beacon that guides you through the night. With unwavering resolve, illuminate the shadows with the light of your spirit, knowing that dawn always follows even the darkest of nights. In moments of despair, when the weight of the world threatens to crush your spirit, summon the strength within to rise once more. For resilience is not simply enduring, but flourishing in the face of adversity, blossoming amidst the storms of life. And when the winds of change howl fiercely, threatening to uproot you from familiar shores, let resilience be your anchor, grounding you in the certainty of your own strength. With roots that run deep, you stand tall against the gales, weathering the storms with grace and poise. For in the crucible of challenge, resilience is forged, tempered by the fires of perseverance and forged in the furnace of determination. It is the indomitable spirit that refuses to be broken, the unwavering belief that no matter the odds, you will prevail. So embrace the journey, dear friend, knowing that with each trial you face, you emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. And in the end, it is not the challenges we face that define us, but how we rise to meet them with courage, grace, and unwavering resilience. In the quiet moments of introspection, let resilience be your companion, whispering words of encouragement in the depths of your soul. When doubt gnaws at the edges of your resolve, when fear threatens to paralyze your steps, let resilience be the voice that urges you forward, reminding you of the strength that lies within. With every stumble and fall, with every scar etched upon your heart, let resilience be the salve that soothes your wounds and spurs you onward. For it is not the absence of struggle that defines us, but rather how we rise from the ashes of adversity, resilient and unyielding in the face of life's trials. And in moments of solitude, when the weight of the world feels too heavy to bear, let resilience be the armor that shields you from despair. Draw upon the wellspring of courage that resides within you, tapping into a reservoir of inner strength that knows no bounds. For resilience is not born from perfection, but from imperfection. It is the courage to embrace our vulnerabilities and persevere in spite of them. It is the refusal to be defined by our past, but rather to write our own story with bold strokes of resilience and resilience. So let us embrace the journey, my dear friend, knowing that with each step we take, we grow stronger, more resilient, and more alive. And though the road may be long and fraught with obstacles, let us face it with unwavering courage and unyielding resilience, knowing that we are capable of overcoming anything that stands in our way. In the tapestry of life, resilience is the golden thread that weaves through every chapter, stitching together the fabric of our existence with strength and grace. It is the silent anthem that sings in the hearts of those who refuse to be defeated, who rise from the ashes of adversity with a fierce determination to thrive. When the storms of life rage around you, threatening to engulf you in their fury, let resilience be your shelter, a sturdy refuge amidst the chaos. Draw upon the depths of your spirit, finding solace in the knowledge that you possess the power to weather any tempest that comes your way. And when the darkness looms like a specter on the horizon, casting shadows across your path, let resilience be your guiding light, illuminating the way forward with its steady glow. For even in the darkest of nights, there is always a flicker of hope, a spark of resilience that refuses to be extinguished. In moments of doubt and uncertainty, when the world seems to conspire against you, let resilience be your anchor, grounding you in the certainty of your own strength. With each trial you face, with each obstacle you overcome, let your resilience grow, like a mighty oak tree whose roots run deep and strong. For in the end, it is not the battles we win or the challenges we conquer that define us, but rather the resilience with which we face them. It is the courage to keep moving forward, even when every fiber of our being screams for us to give up. It is the unwavering belief that no matter how difficult the journey may be, we have the resilience to see it through to the end. So let us embrace our resilience, my dear friend, and let it carry us through the trials and tribulations of life. For in its strength, we find our own, and in its light, we find the courage to keep pressing forward, one step at a time.